Hi there, this side Viren. So today we are trying to discuss one of the question and it is from leetcode. Let me zoom it out the question statement. So here is the question. The question name is minimum recoloring to get k consecutive black blocks, right? So yeah, let us go through the question statement so we can get clear idea what they are trying to say. So you are given an zero index zero index string. Name the string has blocks of length n, right? And where b of I, every element of this string either be w or b, right? So what this represent? This represents the color of ith block, and the character w and character b denotes that the color white. W means color white, it is colored white, or black. B means it's color black, right? So what we have to do? You are also given integer k. We are also given integer k, which is desired number of consecutive black blocks. So we have to find that if there are five, for example, let's say, let me open the whiteboard. For example, k is 5, right? So and let's say string is w, like this is, I am taking a random string, so this is our string. So what we have to find? We have to find k consecutive black block. For example, here k is 5, so we have to find 5 consecutive black block, and we have to minimize our answer as much as it's minimized. We have to minimize that, right? So let us see. So we can start, like we can take first 5 block, like 1 2 3 4, and that's 5. So how many recoloring we have to do? We have to do 2 recoloring because 2 white color is there. So let me store it to an answer variable. Let's say 2 is our answer right now. Okay, so now we will move. Okay, so we have to move ahead now. Now we take this 5, 1 2 3 5, this again we have to do 2 recoloring for this and for this. So still we have answer 2. This is not minimum according to this, so we just move ahead. We just take this 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now here we have to do only one recoloring. This we have to turn this white into black like this. So yeah, now it's 1. It is smaller than our answer, so we have to update our answer as 1. So for this case answer is 1, right? Let me take one more test cases. Here it is given like, here it's given like this. Let me copy it. Okay, right? So this is our string. So let try to find what is the desired answer. So here what is the k is 7. K is 7, right? K is 7. So we have to take 7 length substring, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? This is 7 say. So 1, we need to change this, we need to recolor this, and we need to recolor this. So how many recoloring we did? So in answer we just store like 3, right? Let me move ahead. Now in our answer we have 3. Let me write here answer. We have 3 right now. If we find any smaller recoloring, so we just update the answer. Otherwise we just go with this answer, this one, right? So let me move ahead. Let me take this length. Here also we have to 1 2 and 3. Still it's not better answer, so we need to move ahead. So we just take this. Okay, here 1 2 3, again 3. It's not better answer, so let me move ahead. Let me take this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So here 1 2 3 4, it's of course not better. 4 is not a better answer. So yeah, this is our end. We can't move ahead because we can't take 6 length string because k is 7. So we go through n minus, right? So in this case answer is 3. So yeah, this is was the simple approach we are trying to do. Yeah, you can see answer is 3. So let me take one more example, and we have quite relate the concept. Okay, right? So let me declare one answer variable. Here say answer. Initially we just answer is maximum value right now, whatever the maximum value of int we can. And what is k in this question? K is 3 for this test case. K is equal to 2, sorry. So let me take 2 firstly this 2. 1 recoloring, yeah, 1 is smaller than max, so we update answer is 1. Now we have to move ahead, right? So we take these 2, again 1, which is not better, so we move ahead, again 1. Then we will move ahead. We take these 2, and here we don't need to recolor anything. There are 2 consecutive black block we found. So here it's 0, which is quietly better than the previous one, so we updated 0 answer. will not consider this, will not consider this. Now again we will move ahead. I will take these two, again 0, which is already we are having. Again we move ahead, again answer is 1, which is not better answer. So we simply print 0 is our answer, right? So let me take you to the code part. What we are trying to do, we just declare one variable, answer is equal to int max, whatever the maximum length of integer it will take, right? Now simply we go through the length of string. What, let me declare the length of string, that int n is equal to blocks dot size, right? And we go through this length, right? And inside we will run one for loop for the length for the substring, and it is from starting from I and j is less than where I plus k, and outer loop run for n minus k as we discussed, right? And every time we increment our j variable, and we simply check if we found we found that let me take we found that if any block has white color, so we need to change recolor it to black. So we found any color is white, so we simply let me declare one counter variable every time, right? So in this counter variable we just check how many recoloring we are trying to do. Yeah, and in answer we just store answer is equal to minimum of these two, minimum of our current answer and whatever we find here, and we simply return out an answer. Let's check if this code is giving correct output or not. If it's not giving correct, we can debug it. So yeah, of course it's not correct answer. Let's check where I am trying to get mistake. And yeah, we get a correct output. Let me submit and see it will pass all the test cases or not. And yeah, it got accepted. So thank you for watching.